Hey everybody, Desert Guardian here. Today I want to talk to you about M2 Tactical Solutions and the holsters that they make. All right, for a lot of you who follow me on Instagram or have watched a lot of my videos before, you may know that M2 Tactical Solutions is my go-to when it comes to custom holsters. M2 Tactical is located in Connecticut, and they are a custom and production Kydex holster maker. They do a lot for their local law enforcement. They do a lot of custom orders, and then they do a lot of, more stock stuff. Now, the four holsters that I'm going to show you today are all ones that I specifically requested that he make me based on my needs. And so, I have these four. So these three are a Glock inside the waistband, appendix style. And then this one here is an outside the waistband. And we'll take a look at them. So, I have several different Glocks. Here's one of my 19s, my 26, let's see, my 17 over here, and I like to carry lights on them and things like that. So let's take a look at these one at a time. So the first one I had made for me is, let's see, the blue one here. This was the very first one I ever had made, and my specs on this one were I wanted to use it for my Gen 3, is actually my Gen 2, Gen 2 and Gen 3, and just wanted a non-light bearing Glock 19. So this one here, it's super high quality, thick Kydex, awesome clips on it, great wing, fantastic construction. And this one here, let's see, let me find, here is a Gen 3 26. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that's all cleared and everything. So what he did with this one is, you can see, this has an extended Gen 3 button on it. It's not quite as big and fat as the Gen 4, and so we made a little bit of a cutout there specifically for the Gen 3. Now you notice I just put a 26 in this. So the 26 or the 19 is going to fit fine in this. And I specifically asked for 19, so we folded the end of the corner in a little bit here. It makes it easier for in and out of the pants, and nothing can stick out through the end, and that is not a light bearing holster. The second one I had him do for me is an outside the waistband. So this is an outside the waistband 19, and let's see, it is made for the Inforce APL. So let me take off the APL-C off of this 19. Make sure that's all clear, because we'll go back to the APL-C in a moment. But for now, we'll just pop it off. Drop the screwdriver, sorry. And we will put the APL on. So let's see. Make sure that's loosened up. Drop the APL on there. Put that on not super tight, because I'm just going to pull it right back off in a few minutes. So there's your Glock 19 with the APL. Now, my specifics on this one was I wanted to run a 19 full-size APL with a threaded barrel. So we do have the open front on this. It does have a little bit of a fold over to keep anything from pushing through, but you can see it's got the full-length APL retention on it. So this is an outside the waistband designed for the full-size APL in a Glock 19. So nice retention on it. Like I said, outside the waistband, extremely well made. Fits my body great, and run any size belt you want through here. You can put a smaller belt loop on it. He makes it different holes, different belt loops if you want to. I specifically asked for this one. But yeah, so that was the second one I got for him, the outside the waistband. Now fast forward a little bit further, I ended up with a Gen 4 with an extended Hive mag release on it. So I said, hey, I want to do something that's going to put a little bit more of a cover on that, because when that's inside the waistband, this button is really easy to push. So I said, let's do a non-light bearing inside the waistband for a Gen 4. And this one, I asked, let's make sure that I can use my 17 with it also. And so this is what he made me the next time. So as you can see, this hump right here is actually pretty pronounced, and it sticks out and protects that button from being hit. So that's and all of them he makes with a co-witness sight hump on it and the RMR cut. So they've all got that on. I probably should have mentioned you can get that with or without it. You can also go standard sight height on it if you want, but I was very specific about what I wanted, and he absolutely knocked it out of the park. So this one was specifically made for Gen 4. I wanted extra protection for that big extended button I had on it, and I also asked him to leave the front open because I wanted to use this with my 17 also. So the 17 is a Gen 3. I just got to clear that. But Gen 3 or Gen 4, this pronounced hump right here has a lot of protection for that button, so it's never going to push on its own when it's inside the waistband. And with the open front end on it, my options are unlimited. I can run any of Glock's 9mm size pistols through it, whether it's the real short 26, the 19 with the extra large mag release, or the 17 that's going to stick out about 1/4 of an inch. So this is my kind of go-to for non-light bearing for anything. I mean, it works perfect for all of them. So, and the last one I had to make me, I said, hey, okay, let's do something a little different. I want to go something that's going to work with co-witness sights on an RMR, wanting to make sure I have that Gen 4 extended button taken care of, and I want to go with the APL-C this time. So let's pop the C back on here. And it's funny, I've got a great relationship with him. He always asks me what color, and I say, hey, surprise me. So, you know, it's inside the waistband. And my only stipulation was don't do anything bright pink or anything. So the last one he made me is this awesome, gorgeous kind of Kryptek black and gray pattern, because it was specifically made for this gun, which has got the battle-worn black and gray on it. And I tell you, he knocked it out of the park again. So this one said, okay, RMR cut, co-witness sights, got to have the big bulge on it for the extended mag release from Hive, and I'm running an APL-C Glock 19. That's it. So this is what he came up with. So I have the full coverage of the big button. I can run a threaded barrel if I want to. APL-C inside the waistband. I can put my RMR on it. Got my extended sights on it. And that's the 4th holster I got from him. 4 for 4. Honestly, if you are looking for a good holster, get a hold of him. Get a hold of M2 Tactical Solutions. Talk to Matt over there. He's the guy in charge. And, you know, they've got they just put a new shop up. M2 Tactical Solutions. He's on the internet. He's on Instagram. I'm going to put links to him. But if you're looking for a Kydex holster and you have anything in particular in mind, you know, whether it's a open-ended specific hump for a Gen 4 with an extended mag release that you can run your 26, your 19, or your 17 out of, or specifically Gen 2 with a closed nose on it. I mean, I'm pretty picky about what I want, and all I have to do is tell them once, you know, hey, this is the list of stuff I want. You can go onto the website and custom order it if you need to, but if you want it done right, go to M2 Tactical Solutions for your custom holster needs. All kinds of finishes. You know, this one here is kind of a red and black battle worn. Of course, we've got our thin blue line edition here. You know, standard storm gray, and then the black and gray Kryptek for the final one. So yeah, check them out. Like I said, I'll put links down below. So click on those links and it'll take you right over to M2 Tactical Solutions. I'll put the links to his website and his Instagram so you can check out the stuff. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns on any of these, leave a message down below. I'd be glad to help out. But yeah, M2 Tactical Solutions is seriously the last stop you need to make if you're looking for a custom holster, or even a production holster for that matter. High quality craftsmanship, high quality materials, and customer service like you wouldn't believe. He gets the job done every time. So, like I said, questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. Hit that subscribe button too while you're there, and I'll be doing more videos with different products and different firearms and stuff, just to kind of show them off and put my hands on them, so you guys can get a look at them before you go buy it. But yeah, M2 Tactical Solutions. It's m2tacticalsolutions.com, but I'll put the link down there. That's it for now. Desert Guardian, out.